G'day, Kyle from the Voice of Freedom. Just showing off my CB that's just been added. I'm thinking that the base unit could go to the Freedom Village in the red zone, set up a communications hut there. Could be part of our security, communication, all that kind of stuff. So very, very much appreciated to all the support and donations that we get. Very much helps with our preparations for survivalism, prepping, our security details. We are in the process, as many of you know, creating the rapid security teams for going out and assisting people who are at risk, maybe under the disguise of public health, people's rights being abused and all those kind of things in their own homes. Basic common law is we are the king of our own castle. You know, the government doesn't actually have a right to come into our home and tell us what to do in our own home, unless we are harming people in our home. Obviously, if we've kidnapped somebody or done something mean, but in general, under common law, we are safe in our homes. And if the system changes that, then we can call upon the risk rapid security team, and they will come and support you, especially if you are elderly or a solo mum or somebody that is vulnerable, and as a vulnerable person feeling discriminated against, persecuted, bullied by the government officials, or the so-called officers that are in the Health and Safety Acts. Obviously, these security teams will be working alongside the common law sheriffs and the Maori Rangers and anybody else that is good, on the good side. The good side of the spiritual war. We are light warriors working for the light. Those of us that are Christians, we are Christian warriors. Part of history, maybe the most important part of history, the ending of history, we don't know. It could be. So we are preparing for that. We want to look after our people. We want to protect our vulnerable. Our government, especially Jacinda, she believes in killing the vulnerable. She's voted for every bill that involves killing vulnerable people, late-term babies, or all babies that are aborted, and the euthanasia bill, all that stuff. She supports death, and as we know, there's the medical research that's been done on us right now is killing people, and they're hiding it all